green in color? Or maybe you've been wondering how your powdered coffee turned into liquid when it's mixed with hot water. Or maybe knowing the reasons behind the rusting of these irons. Good day to each and every one of us. I'm Erlene, yes, and we'll all find out the answers only here in ChemDiscovery. As we live in this little planet called Earth, change is the only permanent thing present. Our things, surroundings, and even people do change. So today's report, we're gonna talk about chemical reactions. Change of a substance into a new one that has a different chemical identity. When can we say that a chemical reaction is occurring? Well, it is usually accommodated with easily observed physical change, such as the emission of heat and light, the formation of precipitate, the evolution of gas, or the change in color. Most reactions require heat, pressure, radiations, other conditions, or the accelerators, which we call the catalysts. The reason why leaves change its color is because of a chemical contained in them, known as chlorophyll. Leaves change color because of lack of chlorophyll. Producing chlorophyll requires water and sunlight. Once those are reduced, the chlorophyll in leaves begins to break down. Leaves contain natural pigments that don't break down, which is what is responsible for the yellow and orange in leaves. Once the bright green chlorophyll is gone, you will see the yellows and oranges that were in leaves all along. Next would be the hot coffee. If you put some powder in hot water, which creates a reaction, and the molecules of that powder are no longer the same, it would be a chemical reaction. And that's what happened to the hot coffee. Lastly, the rusting of iron is a chemical reaction. That rusting happens because the iron in the metal combines with the oxygen in the atmosphere. The changing of color of the leaves, the changing of state of the coffee, and the rusting of the irons are just basic examples of chemical reactions occurring inside the catalyst. Hope you learned a lot of things. This is Erlene Yes, reporting for ChemDiscovery.
Chemical changes had me a blast.
Chemical changes happen so fast.
I made a chlorine crazy for me.
I made a sodium cute as can be.
Chemical changes taking place to a new substance is formed. How did it happen?
Tell me more, tell me more. What fun did it We're on opposite sides of the
so I hit my metal.
Things got heated and it got